Hi everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. We will understand about print function. So let's write print and print. Here we will going to put some message. Message is something like this. Hello. So basically everywhere you can able to see hello world. Same thing only I will write. Okay, like this. And I will going to execute this program. Now print function, whatever the input it will going to receive as a string here. Okay, that will be an object as an input and it will going to print that. And what is the importance of this particular print means I will going to tell you. See here. So I will going to remove this parenthesis, one parenthesis, closing parenthesis. See, and we are getting the error here, syntax error. This is incomplete input. The input, whatever the input you have given is not incomplete. Again, I will going to remove this one as well, or double quote. See here, unterminated string literal detected at the line. So that's why you have to look into errors as well. So that is one thing, first thing. Again, I will take as it is that one. Now, suppose for example, I will go to take something like this. Print. I will say hello, comma, uh, David. Okay. So let's run this. So you can able to see this with the separator, we can able to print it. But what I will do, I will going to assign some value to a particular variable. Let's take name as a variable here. That is equal to, okay. I will say, I will take the input from the user input. Okay. Here, what I will do, enter your name, I will say. So I will put the message, enter your name. Enough. So this is what message I will go to display on console. Okay, let's run this one. You can able to see enter your name. I am asking. Now what I will do, I will go to print something like this. Hello. I will go to enter the name and it will go to print it. Okay, that one I will show you. Suppose example I will go to enter, that is what David. Now see. So now see it is not printing. Why? Because we haven't mm, mentioned the print statement here. Okay, print function. That's why I will going to introduce the print function here. Again I will want to mention hello. Okay, so here I will say I will remove this single quote or double quote and I will say nothing. I will want to say nothing here. I will want to run. See here, error we are getting. Okay, otherwise you can do like this. That is what David. Okay, so still we are getting the error. Okay, so this is not the right way to do. Okay, again one more important thing. So that one you understood. So hello, this is actually a string and you are using separator, but you are not closing with the string, all those things. If I mention the string over here, definitely you will going to get the output. You can able to see it. Okay, I will say David. Sorry, here I have to write. But this is not the way. Only it is taking input, but it is not printing. Actually, whatever the data is available in the print function, it is printing. So that is one thing. Again, one more important thing we have to understand about the printf here. The way you should not do. This is one way you should not do like this. Okay. Another way is you can see here. Here, I will take this variable name here, and I will go to run it. So I will go to say David. Enter. See what you are getting, name you are getting instead of David. See, these are all wrong methods. Okay. So you should not follow these kind of things. And how to what to follow, how to follow, which rules we have to follow, and what syntax we have to follow, I will tell you. See here, instead of like this, you can able to use the variable name that is called it as name. Okay, close it. And it will ask for enter your name. Just you mention the name David. Now enter. See, you are getting. Again, that is also one way. And we are already discussed about objects. Okay. And in print function, how to separate the objects, that also we discuss. I will show you that once here. Now I will copy the same thing. Now what I will do here, please see. Allow is one string literal, comma, this is one object. So this complete one, this one I'm talking about, this is one object. Another one I will going to mention variable. This is also one object. One string object, another one is string object only. Whatever the data you will going to receive, that by default input we will take string object, but two objects are there. Okay, it's a variable. Name is a variable. Let me run this. Okay, I will going to enter something like here, David. Okay, now see, hello David, we are getting. This is how you have to follow the syntax as well as rules to print variables and to print objects, and how your print function works, you can able to understand in the Python. Thank you very much.